Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making this chicken fried rice, incredibly delicious. It's not takeout, it's much better than takeout. And you know, I'm showing myself in this video. So let me walk you through this and let's get started. First off, I'm going to add a couple of good knobs of butter to my handy dandy wok. Add in 3 cloves of the garlic that I kind of chopped up. A small chopped onion, and a thumb-sized ginger. So what we're going to do is saute this until it's fragrant. This smells so good. Add in 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've chopped up. You can use thighs as well, the cut of your choice. Of course, we're going to season this up with some salt and pepper. And let this cook for, I'd say 3 or 4 minutes until it's brown. Okay, once the chicken is cooked, I'm going to add in a cup of mixed veggies. You can use the veggies of your choice. Then we're just going to toss these around. Then we're going to set them aside on one side of the pan. Scramble up 2 eggs. Then just simply fry them on the other side. This is going to take about, I'd say 3 to 4 minutes to get it set. Once it's set, we're going to fold everything together here. Now it's time to add in 2 cups of jasmine rice that I cooked up the night before. Now our seasoning, a tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a few drops of sesame oil, and some green onions. And I'm just going to toss this and stir and fry until everything is well combined. And there you have it, guys. Our chicken fried rice, so much better than takeout. You're gonna love it. Okay, let's plate this up. The smell is incredible. Okay guys, let's dig in. So good. An explosion of flavors. You're gonna love this. And if you notice, I've been on a diet and lost a little bit of weight. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. See you next time.